Today I am gonna tell you how can you write a program in Python that inputs two numbers and print sum of them. So for the same you have to go to file and then new file and then write here a equal to int input enter a number. So here E is a variable, int is data type, and input function is used to input a number. And this is the message which is printed to take an input. Then B equal to int input enter a second number. You can also write your first number and then print A plus B. This line will print the sum of them, as A is a number, A is a variable in which you give a number, and B is a variable in which you give a number, and this print function will print the sum of them as A plus B, A and B. And then now run it. You can save it, add program. You can see here it is printed that enter a first number. You can give 12, enter a second number. You can give 34. You can give any number. I am choosing randomly and then press enter. Here you can see 46 is printed, which is the sum of these two numbers. So this program is working very well. Thank you.